It's time for opening up our Xyngular package. We've got mail. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. Not gonna lie, we started opening it a little bit just so it wouldn't take as long. And we're actually gonna do an unboxing and a taste test, all in this video. So let's get started. It's not really a surprise, we know what's in it. So excited. We got just a few of the limited edition watermelon collagen. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and we may or may not have 2 more coming in another shipment. Anyway, all right, so let's try this out. Pop your head in here, say hello.
Hello.
Okay, all right. You got that knife so we can open this up?
Or not.
I'm a little impatient. Smells like watermelon. All right, you do the honors of the scoop. How much water did you put in here? 10 ounces?
It was supposed to be 8, but the fridge, got carried away.
10-ish, 8-ish. Let's just say 9. All right. Wow, that smells really watermelony. Is that a word? Watermelony?
Watermelon-y.
It's a word now. All right. Put it real close, you get ASMR. Oh wow, no clumps. You first. Get over here, you gotta see it.
It's yummy.
Is it yummy? You like
It is yummy.
That is in fact yummy. I'm glad we bought 6. So good.
Yeah.
So as last I heard, they still have some. So if you want to get your watermelon collagen, I can't wait to mix this with the fruit punch trim sticks. Make like a fruit salad. Yummy, yummy. Anyway, all right. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, I'm gonna go finish this. You have to get your own.